the beach at dawns. Passion begins to blossom under the starry sky without fear. Our love becomes a fervor. In the hot sat with Mel, exploring the forbidden together. Every kiss, every burning caress lights the flame of our mind. The sea witnessed our union, with the winds whisper emotion. In this moment of purest pleasure, we know that our loss will grow. If you need more content or additional help, I'm here for you. Don't hesitate to ask for wherever